For many homeowners in Sumter, protecting the home is just as important as enhancing its appearance or improving energy efficiency. While security systems, outdoor lighting, and strong doors all play major roles, one often overlooked feature can make an equally powerful difference: replacement windows. Modern replacement windows offer security benefits far beyond what older, original windows can provide. If you're considering home upgrades, understanding how today's windows strengthen safety and peace of mind may help you make a confident decision. Stronger frame materials provide built-in protection. Older windows, especially those installed decades ago, were often made with thin wood frames or outdated aluminum designs. Over time, these materials weaken, warp, or decay, making them easy targets for forced entry. Modern replacement windows, on the other hand, are engineered with strong and durable materials such as reinforced vinyl frames, fiberglass composites, multi-chambered construction steel, or aluminum reinforcements. These advanced materials significantly reduce flexing and make it extremely difficult for someone to pry or break the frame. For Sumter homeowners living in neighborhoods with varying levels of traffic or environmental wear, these durability upgrades offer long-term peace of mind. Multi-point locking systems add layers of security. One of the biggest advantages of replacement windows is the modern locking technology built into them. Homes with older windows often rely on a single latch system that weakens over time. This can lead to gaps, loose locks, and easy access for intruders. New replacement windows typically include double locks or multi-point locks, cam action mechanisms for a tighter seal, reinforced strike plates, locks integrated into the frame for added strength. These features make windows much harder to force open from the outside. Many manufacturers also offer optional upgraded hardware for homeowners who want the highest level of safety. Impact-resistant glass makes break-ins much harder. Traditional single-pane windows break easily, compromising your home's security. Replacement windows use significantly stronger glass options that help deter intruders and protect your home. Popular security-enhancing glass types include laminated safety glass. Laminated glass includes an interlayer that holds the glass together even when shattered. Instead of breaking apart, the glass cracks but stays intact, making it extremely difficult for anyone to enter the home. Tempered glass. Tempered glass is heat-treated for added strength. When it breaks, it shatters into small, blunt pieces instead of sharp shards, reducing injury risk while offering more resistance to forced entry. These upgraded glass options are especially beneficial for Sumter residents concerned about both break-ins and storm damage. Tighter seals eliminate gaps and vulnerabilities. Another significant benefit of replacement windows is their ability to seal tightly against the frame. As older windows age, gaps develop that can make it easier for intruders to manipulate or remove the sash. Modern replacement windows include fusion-welded frames, advanced weather-stripping, precision-fitted components. These tight seals do double duty, helping with energy efficiency while eliminating weak spots that can be exploited. Better security without compromising style. Many Sumter homeowners want better safety without sacrificing the look of their home. Replacement windows offer the best of both worlds. Today's styles blend seamlessly with traditional, modern, and historic Sumter homes, all while delivering hidden built-in security features. You don't need bars or bulky add-ons. Your windows themselves become part of your protective shield. Greater peace of mind for families in Sumter. Replacing old windows isn't just about improving curb appeal or reducing utility costs. It's about creating a safer, more secure environment for your family. With stronger frames, advanced locking systems, impact-resistant glass, and better overall construction, modern replacement windows offer a powerful security upgrade for any home. If you're ready to boost your home's protection while enjoying modern comfort and style, exploring high-quality replacement window options is a smart next step for Sumter residents.